In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo slider to ClickFunnels. We'll start by building the slider itself using a widget service. Head over to a logo slider tool like Common Ninja and open the logo slider widget. Upload the logos you want to showcase. PNG or SVG files with transparent backgrounds usually look the cleanest. Try to keep your logo sizes consistent so the carousel feels polished and balanced. Inside the widget settings, customize the layout, carousel speed, hover effects, links, and more. If you want viewers to visit a partner's site when they click a logo, make each logo clickable and add the link, ideally set to open in a new tab. You can also choose the carousel direction, set the speed, and pick animations. For a smooth experience, avoid overly aggressive speeds and test how the animation looks on mobile as well as desktop. When the design looks right, save your progress. Click Save Changes in the editor, then choose Add to Website and copy the embed code you're given. This will be an HTML and JavaScript snippet, and it's exactly what you'll paste into your ClickFunnels page. Keep it handy in your clipboard or a text file for a moment. Next, open your ClickFunnels dashboard and go to the funnel and specific page where you want the logo slider to appear. Click Edit Page to launch the page editor. It's helpful to already know which section of the page should feature your logos, like near the hero area or just above testimonials. Inside the ClickFunnels editor, add a new section or row where the slider will sit. Click the plus icon to add new element. From the list of elements, choose HTML/code. Depending on your editor version, it may be labeled Custom HTML, JS, or Embed. Open that element's code editor and paste in the embed code you copied earlier. For best results, place the element in a full-width row so your logos have room to breathe, and adjust spacing with padding or margins if needed. Finally, save your page changes and click Preview to confirm everything is working. Make sure the logo slider appears, scrolls smoothly, and responds well on mobile. If the carousel doesn't show, double-check that you pasted the entire code snippet. If the spacing looks off or elements overlap, tweak the row's padding or the widget's layout settings. And if the animation or speed feels too fast or too slow, return to the widget editor, adjust those settings, save, and grab the updated embed code to replace the old one. That's it. You now have a clean, clickable logo slider running inside ClickFunnels.